Next trick we're going to be working on is called Spirit Bomb. This is a really cool trick. It's hard. It's going to be one of the toughest tricks that we're actually going to be working on throughout these segments we're doing. But it's worth learning. Let me show you what it looks like, the whole trick itself. This is Spirit Bomb. It starts with that wrist mount we were doing. It has one pop. It has two pops. You drop and then dismount from that. It's cool because it looks like you're going to get a knot the whole time. It's a really complicated looking trick. People will watch you do that and go, that's the most insane thing I've ever seen. It's worth learning. It's going to take practice, but it's worth learning. So start with a wrist mount. If you don't know a wrist mount, the earlier segment we just did went over it. Get into a wrist mount. The next step, you push into the string that's on your wrist. You take your pointer finger on your non-throw hand and push into the string and land the yo-yo on that string. So you can hold it right there. You've got a triangle connected to this hand, and it kind of looks like a heart or something like that, the shape that it's creating right there. So this is from the wrist mount. One more time. Let me show you how to get into this. It's a wrist mount. You push into the string and land the yo-yo on there. This is the tricky part. You want to go from here, you want to go double onto the string. So you just push into that same string the yo-yo's on. Goes double on. And this is where it's really good to have a good Ouija bow down, because this is a very similar move to Ouija bow. What you're actually doing is taking the yo-yo and it's being popped up through here, and then you're crossing your hands underneath it as it does this. I'm going to show you real quick what that looks like, and then I'll let you watch it a couple times so you can get the idea. But what you're doing is you're going double on, you're popping it into this string and crossing your throw hand. Try that again. So you're crossing your two hands over each other. Like that. It was fast, but what's happening is your non-throw hand is coming right over your throw hand. From here is the second part. If you just want to get out of here and practice this, you can swing the yo-yo back to your left, and you're actually right back where you started. So it's a good maneuver to practice. This is the first part of Spirit Bomb. You go in, double on, pop. We'll try that again. You go in and pop. One more time. As I said, this is one of the more technical tricks. It's a little harder to hit, but it's worth practicing and getting smooth. So we're going to move on to step 2 to finish up the whole trick.